Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the screen timeout or always on display durations before your POCO X7 Pro automatically locks. This feature is super useful, especially if you use your phone for things like reading notes, using a teleprompter, or just want the screen to stay on a bit longer without touching it. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your settings app and then just scroll down until you find lock screen. This one, just tap on it. This is where you can manage all screen and lock related settings. Include how long your display stays awake before it locks automatically. Next, just tap on sleep. This one. And then in here you will see several options like 15 seconds, 30 seconds until 10 minutes. Just simply choose how long you want your screen to stay on when it's not being touched. For example, if you often read scripts or use your phone as a teleprompter, you might want to set it to 2 or 5 minutes so it doesn't turn off too quickly. But remember, the longer the screen stays on, the more battery it can use. And then in here I will just choose 10 minutes. And then while you're still in the lock screen menu, scroll a bit down and look for rise to wake, this one. When this is turned on, your screen automatically lights up as soon as you leave your phone. It's a convenient feature, no need to press the power button, just to check notifications or the time. Then next you can also enable double tap to lock or unlock on here. And once this is on, you can double tap the screen to turn it off or double tap again to wake it up. It's a quick and easy way to control your display without pressing any buttons. And it feels really smooth once you get used to it. And okay, maybe that's it. You have just learned how to adjust your screen timeout, enable rise to wake, and turn on double tap to lock and unlock on your POCO X7 Pro. These small tweaks can make your phone feel more responsive and personalized for your daily use. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!